Fed Up with Rain, a story. The sun was shining brightly on Friday afternoon when Mrs. Lodge got into the park with her 4-year-old grandson. Some children were playing there, while others were feeding the ducks and swans in the small pond. Their mothers were watching them, and at the same time, they were chatting about this and that. Mrs. Lodge sat on a bench and took her knitting out of her bag. Her grandson went to play with the other children. She looked at her watch. Only 3:30. 2 hours enjoying the sunshine will do us good, she thought to herself. Half an hour later, the boy was digging a hole in the ground near the pond, and Mrs. Lodge was still knitting when she felt a raindrop on her nose. She looked up at the sky and saw black clouds instead of the bright sun. She picked up her knitting and grandson in a second and hurriedly rushed home. Oh, she was fed up with rain.